Another gun case is before the Supreme Court. This one, a challenge to the legality of a bump stock ban. The Biden administration has continued the Trump-era ban. Bump stocks transform semi-automatic weapons into rapid-fire-like machine guns, which are illegal. Bradley Blackburn shares how the justices are weighing in so far.
As the Supreme Court considers the legality of a bump stock ban, lawyers for the government and a Texas gun shop owner offered the court different definitions of the function of a trigger.
In common usage today, as in 1934, a function of the trigger happens when some act by the shooter, usually a pull, starts a firing sequence.
The shooter does not have a function. The statute is concerned only with what the trigger does and whether a single function of that trigger produces more than one shot.
The bump stock ban was enacted under the Trump administration in the wake of the 2017 massacre in Las Vegas. A single gunman using multiple weapons with bump stocks was able to kill 60 people and wound hundreds more in a matter of minutes. Justice Brett Kavanaugh pointed out that two administrations before Trump made no such ban, and fellow conservative Justice Amy Coney Barrett questioned why it was coming from a federal agency instead of Congress.
Intuitively, I am entirely sympathetic to your argument. I mean, and it seems like, yes, this is functioning like a machine gun would. But, looking at that definition, I think the question is, why didn't Congress pass that legislation to make this covered more clearly?
Questioning the plaintiff's attorney, Justice Elena Kagan made a potentially broader point on how her colleagues should interpret the law.
At some point, you have to apply a little bit of common sense to the way you read a statute and understand that what this statute comprehends is a weapon that fires a multitude of shots with a single human action.
A decision is expected in June. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News.
This conservative majority court has taken a broader view of gun rights in recent years and a more skeptical position on the powers of federal agencies.